Hello guys, if you're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, chances are you've heard about how volatile it can be. But here's the thing, it's not just the market volatility that can hurt you, it's common mistakes that can cost you big. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 most common crypto mistakes beginners make, and I'll give you the tips on how to avoid them. So let's get started. The first mistake is buy high, sell low. This is one of the most common mistakes I see. It's easy to get excited when you see Bitcoin or altcoins skyrocket. You get in thinking it's gonna keep going up. But the reality, cryptocurrency prices are volatile, and buying at the peak can often lead to huge losses when the market corrects. Here's the tip, don't chase the hype. Always set a buying strategy based on research, not on emotions. That's really important. And when you're tempted to sell during a dip, remember, markets recover. Instead of panicking, stay patient and avoid reacting to every price movement. The next thing is not using 2FA. This one is a huge mistake that can leave you open to hacks. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is an extra layer of security that requires a second form of verification. Usually a code sent to your phone or an app like Google Authenticator, which is even more secure than just use your phone number for verification. Many people skip 2FA because it seems complicated, but if your exchange or wallet gets hacked, you could lose everything. It's a small step that can save you a lot of stress and money later. Always enable 2FA on all your accounts, exchanges, wallets, even your email, especially when dealing with crypto. Also, scams are rampant in the crypto space and they're constantly evolving. Whether it's phishing emails, fake ICOs, or Ponzi schemes, beginners are often the target. If something sounds too good to be true, like guaranteed returns, it probably most likely is too good to be true. So be careful with that. So how can you avoid scams? Do your research is really important. Always verified websites, look for trusted reviews, and make sure you're dealing with legitimate platforms. Don't click on suspicious links or share your private keys with anyone at all. The old saying holds true. Another common mistake, putting all your eggs in one basket. In the crypto world, this means buying only one cryptocurrency, usually Bitcoin or Ethereum, and not diversifying your portfolio. The market is volatile, and relying on just one asset leaves you exposed to significant risks. Here's the solution. Diversify your investments. You don't need to go crazy, but spreading your investments across different coins and even crypto projects will help reduce risks. Diversification helps you hedge against major losses in case one of your assets crash. Last but not least, ignoring fees. Crypto exchanges and platforms usually charge fees for trading, withdrawals, or even staking. If you're not paying attention to those fees, they can eat into your profits, especially for frequent traders. Small fees can add up really quick. So make sure you're aware of the fees on the platform you're using. Look for low fee exchanges and understand the fee structure before making trades. Sometimes even pennies count. Let's quickly recap how to avoid these mistakes. First, don't chase prices. Stick to a long-term strategy and avoid buying high, selling low. Second, enable 2FA for more security. Third, watch out for scams. Do your research and never give out private information. Third, diversify your investments to reduce risk. Fifth, be aware of fees and understand the cost of trading. If you follow these tips, you'll be in a much stronger position to navigate the crypto world safely and successfully. Let me know if you already made one of those mistakes on your crypto journey so far. Share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. I would like to hear them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay smart and secure in the crypto space. Till then, see you in the next video.